Imagine hearing the roaring sound of waterfalls while inhaling the scent of rain-soaked tropical forests. Or standing on a hill where terraced rice fields stretch out like a green carpet beneath your feet. Or watching the turquoise ocean from a high cliff, with a cool breeze gently caressing your soul. This isn't just a dream, this is Bali. Join us as we explore its breathtaking beauty together. The most beautiful beaches in Bali. Blue Lagoon Beach. A hidden paradise in the heart of Bali is where pristine nature and pure tranquility meet. With crystal clear turquoise waters, soft white sand, and surrounding cliffs, this beach creates a dreamy setting for relaxation or snorkeling in its underwater world. This cozy and lesser-known gem is the perfect escape from the crowds to immerse yourself in untouched beauty. If you're seeking a peaceful adventure, Blue Lagoon is the place to be. Broken Beach. Broken Beach in Bali is a natural masterpiece that captivates every visitor. With its massive circular rock arch, this unique spot allows the blue ocean to flow through the cliffs, creating a breathtaking view. The crystal-clear waters and untouched surroundings make it a paradise for photography and adventure. Broken Beach, with its distinctive beauty and mystical atmosphere, invites you to explore one of Bali's most extraordinary attractions. Diamond Beach. Diamond Beach in Bali is a sparkling gem among the island's beaches, showcasing breathtaking natural beauty with its towering cliffs and turquoise waters. The stone steps leading down to the beach offer a unique adventure for explorers. With its white sands, lush palm trees, and diamond-shaped rocks glistening in the sunlight, this spot is one of Bali's most dreamlike destinations. Diamond Beach is where pure natural beauty meets endless tranquility. Uluwatu Cliffs, the stone paradise of Bali. The Uluwatu Cliffs are one of the most breathtaking and captivating natural landmarks on the island of Bali, located at its southernmost point. These cliffs, rising vertically from the Indian Ocean, stand like magnificent and impassable walls, evoking a sense of awe and wonder in every visitor. At the top of these cliffs sits the Uluwatu Temple, an ancient Hindu temple with a history dating back over 1,000 years. This temple is recognized as one of Bali's cultural attractions and, due to its geographic location, offers an exceptional viewpoint to take in the surrounding natural landscapes. And now, the most beautiful waterfalls in Bali. Tibumana Waterfall is a serene and untouched slice of paradise in Bali, where a gentle and seamless stream of water cascades down from lush green cliffs. Hidden amidst tropical forests, it offers a stunning setting with a natural pool, perfect for relaxation and swimming. The soft sound of flowing water and the surrounding nature make Tibumana a dreamlike escape from the hustle and bustle, immersing you in tranquility. Sekampo Waterfall. A hidden gem nestled in the lush green forests of Bali, is one of the island's most magnificent natural wonders. This breathtaking waterfall consists of multiple streams of water cascading from great heights, creating a magical scene. The soothing sound of flowing water, the cool mist in the air, and the untouched nature surrounding it make Sekumpul a paradise for nature lovers and photographers. This unique experience invites you to the heart of pure beauty and serenity. Git Waterfall. With its towering height and powerful flow of water cascading down from cliffs and lush greenery, creates a breathtaking scene. The path leading to the waterfall winds through dense forests and wooden bridges, offering an adventurous yet delightful experience. Aling-Aling Waterfall is one of Bali's natural wonders, creating a unique and mesmerizing view with its dual water streams. Surrounded by clear pools and a cool, lush environment, this waterfall is not only a place for relaxation, but also an exciting destination for natural slides and cliff jumping. Terraced rice fields. The terraced rice fields in Bali are more than just a natural landscape. They are a living legacy of culture, history, and the harmony between humans and nature. These fields, most famously found in the regions of Tegalalang and Jatiluwi, resemble vibrant green waves cascading over the hills. Each terrace, crafted with the meticulous care and artistry of local farmers centuries ago, remains one of the most stunning symbols of tradition and agricultural skill. Walking through these fields feels like a journey into the heart of tranquility. The reflection of the blue sky and the narrow water channels of each terrace, the sound of tropical birds, and the gentle breeze swaying the rice plants create a heavenly picture that soothes the soul. Here, with every breath, you can feel the energy of the earth. But the beauty of the rice fields goes beyond their appearance. These terraces are part of a traditional Balinese irrigation system called Subak, which has been recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Subak is not just an irrigation system, but a philosophy of life, built on principles of cooperation, respect for nature, and balance. And this was our journey to the heart of Bali's lush, green paradise, where every corner is filled with life, tranquility, and beauty. I hope this video has brought you closer to the amazing world of this island. And for more discoveries of this incredible planet, stay with us. The adventure isn't over yet.